Hello, my name is Davon Davis, and I'm a senior at Goucher College. My major is computer science. For my senior capstone project, I decided to create and design an audio plugin, which is also called a VST, which is used in a digital audio workstation. In a digital audio workstation, VSTs are used to mix and master, create and compose music, which you hear in the radio, movies, etc. Anywhere you hear music. I decided to create and design one because I've been creating and producing music for about 6 or 7 years now, and for me, majoring in computer science and making music, I feel like this point, like this, kind of brought those two worlds together. I was very excited to take on this project because I've been using a lot of VSTs and audio plugins, which are the same thing, for years now, but I never knew the background and all the coding behind it. So this is a great exercise for me and to expand my knowledge on this particular thing. So first, I will pull up my proposal and work schedule for this project. So first, my purpose of this project was to increase my knowledge of and in audio programming, which I feel like I did. Um, I made a name for my audio plugin, which is called Eternal Sound, which is kind of inspired from Spectrum's Atmosphere, which is a great audio plugin, has a lot of great sounds, and I've used it countless times on a lot of different songs and um, composing. A lot of I've used Atmosphere with Spectrum's Atmosphere for a lot of composing of my own music. Um, so for my plugin Eternal Sound, it will process audio, process MIDI data from different devices, from the DAW system to this keyboard I have. This Kaya MPK Mini keyboard, which is connected to my laptop via USB. Um, so for this project, I use the Juice framework and the C++ language, which is kind of difficult to learn, but after a while I got the hang of it. So the Juice framework basically gives you the basic tools or the basic setup to program your audio plugin. And Pure Data also gave me a lot of insight of how oscillators work through the waveforms and digital signal processing, which is going from analog signal to digital signal processing, and DAW Workstation, which I use is Logic Pro X, but there are a lot of DAW workstation, digital audio workstations out there like FL Studio and Logic. Well, I use Logic and Pro Tools. So I'm gonna scroll through my basic work schedule, which is the first week just setting everything up. Second week was improving the graphic design and creating the oscillators, waveforms such as sine, saw, triangle, and square. Let me keep scrolling through. But week by week, I would just improve the audio plugin as I go along. Some stuff on the way got changed because of improvements. Some stuff got changed because of stuff that comes with the keyboard already, like um, from I guess the arpeggiators and things like that. But other things like the envelope and the envelopes and sounds of attack, delay, sustain, and release. I'll show that and when I bring up the plugin itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the audio plugin. I'm gonna pull up Juice first. Sorry. So this is Juice. Juice is like a great way if you want to start any audio plugin. It gives you the basic framework. Starting an audio plugin, they use Xcode for a lot of the backend for you to allow you to write C++. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it as a standalone plugin first, and just go through all of the features I have on the Eternal Sound plugin. Go ahead and pull it up, and I'm gonna set up my keyboard here. It's already in. Okay. Go ahead and press C3 or middle C. Sorry, I'm gonna turn up the gain. So that's the saw, and oscillator 1. And here's the square, sine. Go ahead and hit the delay, which is like a echo. Turn that down. Okay, for the second oscillator, we can go, I'm gonna turn it up. And that's just another oscillator on top of the first one. Change it to square. Now it's a sine. Now it's just one sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that one down. So right here we have the envelope, we have release. And turn them all down so you can hear them one by one. So if release does, it releases the sound, or when to release the sound. So now hit middle C again. It's all the way up. It holds the note a lot longer. Pull it down a lot quicker. So sustain, I'll pull it all the way up, hit middle C. Pull it all the way down, hit middle C. Okay, decay, and turn it up. Turn it down. Now attack. Pull it down. Yeah. So for the most part, that's really the basics of my plugin. I can get really more in depth in it when I use it through a digital audio workstation, which I will demo now. I used it to produce a song. Well, not really a song, well, composed of a beat or a composition, if you will. So go ahead and pull up that.